Hello guys, we're gonna take one of this cup. This is a little bit hard, so if you could get the softer one, it will be better. But this one is fine. Just go ahead and take your scissor and start cutting the top out like that. Then after you cut it there, just make sure to cut this part out just to make it all straight like that. Then go ahead, fill it up with candy inside. I'm gonna take the top that we cut out, place it right in there, and then we're going to fold it like that. And then we're gonna take some tape and then place it in there to attach it into place like that. Then after that, we're gonna take a sticker, whatever theme you guys were doing, you could place it right there, or you can leave it without. It's up to you guys how you guys want to do it. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple, so cute, and so easy. And you can do it any colors that you guys are doing or any party thing, which is great for any occasion. Now for the next idea, we're gonna use the same cup, but this time we're going to take a little bit, a piece of floral foam, put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm gonna take this balloon stick and I'm just gonna cut it to the size of whatever you guys want. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in there to attach it to the floor foam. Go ahead and grab your hot glue and place a little bit in there, and then we're going to attach it to the middle of the cup like that. Just hold it down and to attach. Then I'm gonna take this tissue paper. I'm gonna put a napkin and I'm just gonna put some hot glue around it, and then I'm gonna put the napkin inside there, and I'm going to attach it all the way around the cup like that. Just attach until you attach the whole thing. Place some candy inside like that, and then after you place the candy, I'm gonna take my balloon, blow it up like that, and then just gonna go ahead and place it in the balloon holder like that, and attach it to the stick. I'm gonna do a little bow right there in the middle so it can look cute. And then after that, I'm gonna take the stickers. Here you could do any theme that you guys will like, or you can leave it without the sticker. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. Simple and easy. You could do it with a balloon or you could do it without the balloon. Either way, I think it looks super cute. For the next idea, I'm gonna take one of this cupcake wrapper, and I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on this piece of floor foam and then just place it right in the middle like that. Then I'm gonna take a straw, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it in the middle right in there like that. Then I'm gonna take another cupcake wrapper and I'm gonna cut a little hole in the middle, and then I'm gonna put some candy in the inside and then just place it in there. We're going to attach it like that, right in the center like that. And then I'm gonna take the cupcake that we make a little hole and place it in the inside. Then go ahead and grab your candy and place it in there as well like that. And then we're gonna close it down like that. We're gonna tie a cute little bow on top. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. So simple and so easy. And it can be put for any party theme that you guys are doing. This is like more for a kids birthday party or decorations. The good thing you could do it any theme as well. Now for the next idea, we're gonna go ahead and grab another cupcake, and then we're just gonna go ahead and place candy inside. And you can also play like a little cute little game, whatever you guys have there, just to make it super cute. You're just gonna go ahead and grab your bag and place it inside like that, and then you're going to do the same thing. Attach a little bow right in there like that, and you can also like put a little bit of flour in the middle of the bow. And then this is how cute you guys said turns out. Simple and easy and inexpensive. Now for the next idea, we're gonna take one of these straw, and I'm gonna use a little bit of double-sided tape like this one that they have. I'm gonna place it right in there, and I'm gonna take the tape out like that. Then after you take the tape out, then just place it down, grab a candy like that, and then just attach the candy to the straw. So just continue attaching it until you attach it all the way like to the middle of the straw like that. Then after you guys do that with the straw, we're going to take one of these bags, clear bag, and we're gonna open it up and place it right inside in there like that. And here you can leave it as that, or you can put like cute little things inside to make it look super cute. This one you don't have to. You're gonna give it to little kids just for hazard. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of tape, and then I'm going to tape it like around it like that just to attach it, and then just go ahead and grab your ribbon and place it right in there. And this is how cute you guys. But then you can also place a sticker if you wanted to make it into a theme. But this is how cute it turns out. I hope you guys like this. They were better. First thing I did was grab one of these mirrors, and then I'm going to use some floral foam. Make sure to use the white one, the heart one, instead of this one. So then after you attach it, just grab a stick and attach it in place. Then I put some rock around it, but if you use the white one, you should be fine. Then go ahead and grab your princess and slide it through the dress. I'm going to use these from the balloons I spray painted in gold. I'm just going to put some hot glue inside to attach it in place. Grab your balloon and grab a little flower to make it look cute. And this is how cute it turns out, you guys. This is something so simple you guys can do at home. If you want, you see how the Barbie looks a little bit crooked. So for that, just use a rubber band to attach it in place and make sure to do it before you put the top. Then on the top, go ahead, add some hot glue and add another mirrors. And this is how cute it turns out. This is just for a cupcake stand. This one I'm gonna put it in the main table of the princess theme party decorations that I'm doing for my princess. And I hope you guys like it. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me show you a few favors that you guys can make. I'm gonna make a square of these favor bags that they have in Dollar Tree. Just go ahead, make a square and cut it out and put some snack inside. You can make it any theme decorations you want. I did a unicorn theme, I did a carousel or horse theme, or you could do it this little Furby theme. It's whatever you guys want to do. You could just incorporate it into this bag, and I think it's a great idea because it can be used for any party theme decoration. Yeah, I'm gonna take a piece of paper and I'm going to draw like a little door like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead draw it. You can also print it out if you cannot draw as good. And then after that, I'm gonna draw another one inside. So just go ahead and draw another door inside of the other one, just a smaller version. Then after that, I'm gonna take my sister and I'm going to cut it out. And I'm also gonna cut out the middle one. So just use your knife to cut it out like that. Then I'm gonna take trace it into a gold piece of paper. So just go ahead, place it and trace it inside out and then cut it out. Then after this one, I'm going to trace it again, but I'm going to just trace out the outside part, cut it out. I'm not going to do the inside. Then at this part, I'm going to put some decorative stuff. You could put glitter here, different color glitter. I'm going to put purple and green and then some gold glitter. It's up to you what you want to place inside. Then I took that part and I'm going to put some tape inside, and then I'm going to cut it out the extra pieces, and then I'm going to put some double-sided tape on the little door like that, and I'm going to place it on top like that and then attach it. Then I'm going to put some double-sided tape in the gold part that we did first and we cut out, and I'm going to place it on top like that. Then after that, I'm going to put some double-sided tape and place it on top of my bag like that. And here you could decorate it however you would like. I'm going to put some flowers. I'm also going to put some butterfly. And this is a candle theme, but you can make this into any theme that you guys would like. This came out so beautiful. I hope you guys like it. We're gonna grab this twist, place a stick in water, and then place a twist inside like that. And then we're also gonna do like a little cloud on top. Then we're gonna grab this back, place it inside. We're gonna take this ribbon and tie it at the bottom part. And then you're gonna go ahead and make a little bow. If you don't want to use just a bow, make this hair clip and place it at the bottom, which makes it look super cute. Then after that, we're gonna take some unicorn, whatever you have, and just stick it into a container with some floral foam. And this is how beautiful, you guys. It turns out super cute, super easy, and it can be for any gift idea for the party. For the next DIY, I'm going to grab one of these glass wine. I spray painted in gold, and then I'm going to take this cute little container, put some hot glue, and attach it into place like that. Then I'm going to do the same process with the water. I'm going to choose different ones. You could choose whatever is your theme of the birthday party. I'm gonna do some little stars and little clouds. It's up to you what you want to use in here. Then I'm gonna use the longer bags, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in there, and I'm gonna put some floral foam in the containers the same way. I'm gonna tie a little ribbon at the bottom as well, place a little heart, and then place it in there, put flower around it like that. You can use this pink one. It's up to you. I'm gonna put this little ice cream, but you can use anything that you guys are doing. Then go ahead and place another flower at the bottom. And this is how cute, you guys, it turned out. Super cute, super simple, that you guys can do for any party, kids party decorations. Please let me know where you guys are watching us from. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.